Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to find Solana wallet address on Mexc exchange. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing, you need to open your Mexc account. After logging in, then you need to click on wallets at the bottom right corner. From here you need to choose deposit option and now select on chain deposit. Now from the list of currencies in the search bar you need to search for Sol and select the top coin Solana. I am aware now simply click on I am aware of the above risk and it will automatically choose your network Solana. And here you can see your Solana wallet address along with the QR code. Tap copy to copy this address, or you can share this QR code directly. And that's it. Now you know how to find Solana wallet address on Mexc exchange. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos.